Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean loan words. So, let's start. First one is the Korean word for selfie, and that is selka. Selka. It is a combination of self camera. Selka. Okay. Next is the Korean word for virus, and that is virus. Virus. Okay, now let's see how to say plastic in Korean language, and that is plastic. Plastic. Next comes the Korean word for vaccine, and that is vaccine. Vaccine. Now let's see the Korean word for massage, and that is massage. Massage. Next comes the Korean word for shampoo, and that is shampoo. Shampoo. Now comes the Korean word for bowling, and that is bowling. Bowling. Next, let's see how to say email in Korean language, and that is email. Email. Next is the Korean word for marshmallow, and that is marshmallow. Marshmallow. Next is the Korean word for smartphone, and that is smartphone. Smartphone. So today we learned 10 very easy Korean loan words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.